Hello! Hi, good evening. My name is Teacher Lyra from the Philippines, and tonight we will gonna have another lesson. Are you ready? Okay, that's great. So now, before we move on to our proper lesson, we will gonna sing a dance song first. Okay? So now I'm gonna share my screen. Tell me if you can see it. Can you see it now? Okay, that's good. Now let's start. We will gonna say if you're happy and you know it. Okay, ready? Sing. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. And you surely want. If you're happy and you know it, clap your hands. Okay. Do you like this song? Okay, that's good. So now we will gonna start our lesson. And tonight we will gonna talk about pets. Okay? Let's read the title of our lesson. All our pets. Okay, can you say it one more time? All our pets. Okay, very good. Now, let's look at the picture. What can you see in the picture? Okay, we can see a tiger. Okay, what else? Yes, we can see kids. We can see two boys and two girls. Now, let's look at the picture again. What animals can you see? Very good. We can see dog, monkey. Very good. What else? Yes, we can see a parrot and a turtle. Yes, very good. Now, in this lesson, we will learn 5 words, okay? The first word is turtle. Okay, let's look at the picture here. This is a turtle. Can you say, this is a turtle? Very good. Next, the next word is pet. Can you say, this is my pet? Okay, very good. Next is monkey. Okay, can you say, I like monkey? Very good. Okay, next animal here is tiger. Okay, now can you say, I am scared of tiger? Okay, very good. And next, can you say animal? Yes, very good. Now, let's look at the picture again. Here we can see a text. Okay, now let's read this text. I'm gonna read it first, and you're gonna read it next. Okay, I'll start. My friends and I have pets. The turtle is Tom's pet. The parrot is Sue's pet. The monkey is Bill's pet. The dog is my pet. But the tiger is not our pet. It is a wild animal. Okay, now it's your turn, kids. Can you please read it again? Okay, very good. Very good, kids. Now, can you say this word again? Can you say turtle? Okay, very good. Can you say tiger? Okay, very good. Can you say animal? Yes, very good. What is your favorite animal? Oh, you like dogs? How about you, Cam? Oh, you also like cat. I like cat too. Do you like lion? No, why? Okay, because you're afraid of lions. They are wild animals. Okay, so now, before we end the lesson, let's read the new words again. Okay, I'm gonna read it first, and you're gonna read it again after me. Okay, turtle, cat, monkey, tiger, animal. Okay, very good. Thank you so much for tonight. And I hope you learn a lot from this lesson. And I'm gonna see you again on our next class. Goodbye, kids, and see you on our next class. Have a good night. Bye.